Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Kindle. First, prepare your Kindle device by ensuring it has enough free storage space. We recommend at least 1 GB. You will also need a reliable internet connection to download the game and for smooth gameplay. Next, we will adjust your Kindle's security settings, which is a necessary step before installing any non-App Store application. This initial preparation ensures a smooth installation process for you. To allow the installation of Roblox, you first need to enable a specific security setting on your Kindle. Go to your device's settings menu, then locate and tap on Security and Privacy. Inside this section, find the option for apps from unknown sources and toggle it on. Acknowledge any warning messages that pop up. This step is crucial for installing applications not directly from the Amazon App Store. Now, let's get the Roblox application file. Using your Kindle's Silk browser, search for Roblox APK download from a trusted and secure website. It is vital to only use reputable sources to avoid any malicious software. Look for the latest stable version compatible with Android devices and double-check the file size. It typically ranges from about 100 megabytes to 150 megabytes. Once you find it, proceed with downloading the APK file. After the download is complete, open your Kindle's Documents application and navigate to the Downloads folder. You will find the Roblox APK file there. Tap on this file to initiate the installation process. The system will prompt you to review the necessary permissions. Accept these to continue. The installation may take a short while, perhaps 20 to 30 seconds, so be patient while your Kindle sets up the application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.